Good evening to all. Today I am Aman. I am going to show you the features of Windows 11. Today on 5th October, the Windows 11 is released globally. So you can check in the Windows 10 update section. If your PC is compatible, then you can download the update. Otherwise, you have to continue with Windows 10 and you will get the security patch update. Let's begin with the tutorial. This is the lock screen. Here is the password section. I can enter the lock screen. It's loading. It has opened. This is a theme. The whole UI is changed. It's very fluent. It's loading. This is the start menu. The live tiles have been removed. Their icons are static. You can see here. Here is the all apps section. There are the apps installed. Then the search. Like for example, search for Office. You can see here. The Office program. Let me connect the internet. It's a section, control section. The Wi-Fi. It has been connected. Windows 11 has a very new UI. Windows 11 has become now Windows 5. Night mode to protect my eyes. Let me close it. Just a second. Yeah, now you can see that. To update apps on the app ready. Then get updates. in the personalization